box. Being a witty matchstick, he observed what was happening with his fellow matchsticks. What was evident with him was his curiosity about the outside world, the world outside that dark and small box. Because every time their box house opens, it sees the bright light outside. And this curiosity turned into wonderment, because every time a matchstick was taken out, it never returns inside the box. This happened on and on, until one day, the curious and wondering matchstick got incidentally dropped. And because of that, it had a chance to see what it longed to see, the outside world.